Are you ready for the launch of the Lotus Elise Series 1?
We're a bit late for that, Fuzz. It launched in 1995 at the Frankfurt Motor Show.
All right,
Yes,
shut
it
your
did.
face.
Come on, launch it with your kippers. Here we go. 118 brake. Wow.
You're liking that?
Power to weight, I can smell. Is it brakes? Is it clutch? Is it your pants? Whatever it is, something stinks in here. There's a little airy cockpit.
Yeah, but that's
Wow.
great. Look, there's no power steering. There are no servo assistance on the brakes.
Really?
Yeah, you're doing it yourself.
So you stop this car. When you press stop on this car, you stop it.
And if I don't,
Then,
we don't stop.
Go into a massive
exactly.
bush. Yeah.
Okay, so it's bonded aluminium and fiberglass construction.
Fuzz, you know what, dude? This is the car that saved Lotus, really.
Yeah.
I mean, if you think about all the previous Lotus that they've had, they've all been great, but when the Elise came out, this was it, wasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. I saw these in the showrooms and I went, oh,
That's cool.
Okay, that is really cool.
And all the other manufacturers, like the Atom and this and the other, tried to make lighter weight, better handling ones. But you can't really beat this. If you think about the entry price of this car, they're cheap for the fun, aren't they?
Yeah, absolutely. So, Sunday driving, B-road driving,
Yeah.
weekend away.
Intimate driving.
Yeah.
There's a lot of rubbing off going on in here.
Yeah, that's
You're
true.
rubbing the fluff off my t-shirts in here.
Yeah, I know.
Very
I know.
intimate.
But also, it's intimate, but it's also familiar. That's another word
but
you could
you-
use.
it is,
But
but
look,
hang on.
no, when I'm saying familiar,
What?
I'm looking at loads of these little buttons. You know, everything comes from somewhere else.
Okay, let's play a game then.
Right?
Right, so switch gear, indicator stalks.
Okay.
This one here.
Vauxhall.
That one.
Yeah, Vauxhall, definitely Vauxhall. Okay, wing mirrors.
Wing mirrors.
Yeah. Door mirrors, I should say.
Door mirrors, yeah, door mirrors. Can't really see them, but they are. Let's have a look and see if I can pull one out a little bit. That there is from Metro.
Ah,
Yes,
yes, you're
I knew
right.
I'd get
Okay.
it, knew I'd get
Okay,
it.
what about the buttons over here? Lights buttons and fan and hazards and all that kind of stuff.
Mate, you've chosen a bad battle here. You're going to lose that straight off a Peugeot 205 Peugeot.
Okay.
Oh, no.
all that
It
era.
might be a 309.
Yeah,
actually.
no, I'll give you a Peugeot. I'll give you a
I
Peugeot.
think it might be 309.
Okay, what about the heater controls?
No idea. What's that off?
Yeah, exactly. Oh, what is it off?
That's a good question. Right, hang on. Because that feels like Mark 1, Mark 2 Golf, just about here on the left-hand side. The actual sliders are on the wrong side. I don't know.
Yeah,
It's
you
not
can't talk
German.
because I'm driving, can you?
No, I can't. No. Oh, no. It's very intimate. What's that off then?
Okay, I reckon it's Land Rover Disco. Look, the Lotus Elise Series 1, it's a seriously fun car. This is a great little car. If you're going to buy one, get one now. Get a good one.
Right.
Cosset it. Look after it. Look
20
after
quid then. Stop the car. 20 quid if you can get that to open, because that is old school. That is an old stereo with a spin round flip off front, right?
Okay, right. You want me to do it? There we go.
You don't.
Ah.
You weren't into your stereos. You were not into your stereos.
You all right, big boy? Let's park it up.
How did you know that? I was the stereo guy. I was the ice guy in car entertainment.
I'm the man.
Whatever. The owner showed you.
Okay.